this like series, I guess now, because I'm just like taking forever because I keep getting so distracted. Anyways, basically I'm drawing the periodic table, and last time I explained it for like a while, and I wasted a bunch of time, so I'm gonna try to explain it really, really fast. Also, I explained why I'm drawing a periodic table because that's kind of random in the first part, and I don't want to explain that again because that took me like 5 minutes. I have my Chromebook right here with like a picture of the periodic table. So I'm gonna explain this really fast because I already did this twice. So the vertical columns going straight up and down are called groups, and they tell you how many valence electrons, which are the outermost shell, like how many electrons are in the outermost energy level of a Bohr model of an atom. And then they also like tell you other similarities between the elements in those groups. So the columns are called groups, and the rows going horizontally side to side are called periods. Each period will tell you how many energy levels are in at the atom of that element. So that all has to do with Bohr models, which are a certain diagram of atoms. And yeah, okay, that was good. That was faster. I like took 4 minutes last time in the last video to explain that because I kept getting sidetracked. I have a video on Bohr models. It's like a role play if you miss notes in chemistry class right when we started like learning about that. So if you're interested, go watch that. It's just really basic stuff, so I could explain it really fast in the video. So, very basic chemistry if you're interested, but anyways, so I'm drawing it on this grid paper, like this, and I've drawn out the shape of the periodic table. I drew it all in pencil, and then I outlined it, yeah, out, okay, anyways, I outlined it all in this pen. It's so cute, it's a little cat, like, look at its little head, it's so cute. Okay, sorry, but now I have to like go in between them and outline those with pen to like differentiate, oh my gosh, differentiate, I'm still saying that wrong. Anyways, to tell the difference between each element, so like I need to just like finish the grid pattern, I guess, in the periodic table, and then after that is I get to start. Honestly, I'll start coloring because I feel like I should color before I write like the information on that square, so that the colored pencil doesn't like. Oh, that was so loud. So the colored pencil doesn't smear the pen. Yeah, we'll figure that out when we get to it. But for now, let's go ahead. My hair is like so tangled. For now, let's go ahead and just draw the rest of the lines in pen. That really shouldn't take too long. I'm just gonna start as I'm talking. That shouldn't take too long. I just need to are watching, like when I posted this, you'll probably have to wait a bit, just a tiny bit. Like it probably would not be that long at all for me to post the coloring version.